Appreciate you. Just running some transitions from 15 yards. Targets are about 8 yards apart in that range. 8-inch circle. So I've run a bunch of rounds so far. So I have a few on the outside, but majority are centered up. Those larger ones are Quasi shooting 9mm. I'm shooting Baby Pew today. We'll shoot 9mm tomorrow at the competition. And then same thing, standard size paper. Mainly in. I have a few flyers, but and same thing. Those large 9mm are mainly Quasi. All right, so I shot 200 rounds. Quasi probably shot maybe 20 to 30 rounds of 22, and then the rest of those 9s are his. That's one target. So I have 100 rounds of 22 on each target, and Quasi maybe has 15 rounds of 22 on each target. So pretty much in, just doing transitions, just making sure that I'm controlling the gun and then firing as soon as my dot is in that circle area.
You know about, give me the 14 when it's 14, me kill 14, what you know about, AR-15, the class 16, making out the start steam, what you know about, BM-16, you hear 16, the clip 16, what you know about, the AK-47, the Tech 9 and the Mark 11, what you